Hi, I'm Rob Boggy, Senior Director of Research and Membership at the Tennessee Charter School Center. The goal of this video is to show you how you can use our school comparison dashboards. We built these dashboards for Tennessee charter schools with one goal in mind: to help leaders solve specific real-world data challenges. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 examples: reauthorization, marketing, and understanding where students might be going. But these tools can do much more, like benchmarking against similar schools, supporting grant writing, or even identifying schools that are beating the odds. In the end, our goal is simple: to make data analysis more accessible, saving your team both time and money. Let's start with reauthorization. A common question for authorizers during this process is, how does a school compare to neighborhood schools on TN-ready results by subgroup? This is a key piece for demonstrating the value a school brings to their community. To begin, we'll work on the school comparison dashboard, and you'll notice that there are 3 dashboards in the top left corner that you can choose from. School comparison dashboard is the most general and gives you the most information. So here we'll select a school. Purpose Prep. To define the neighborhood that they're in, we'll use our distance filter. 5 miles is the default and is a good baseline for looking within a neighborhood. We'll also filter to only include similar schools, in this case, elementary schools. Next, we select the outcomes we want to explore. Here, we'll focus on ELA achievement by subgroup. We'll select all students, economically disadvantaged students, super subgroup students, English learners, and students with disabilities. From there, we click Generate Analysis. This produces a sortable table with all of the data we've just selected. We can see here that if we look at all students and we sort with the largest on top, Purpose Prep ranks 3rd among economically disadvantaged students. They're the top ranked school. For more advanced users, we can download an Excel file or a CSV file and do further analysis with this data. Also, you'll notice that there's a map to give us a sense of proximity to the school and how that data might be playing out in a geographic scale. Now let's look at marketing. Charter schools need to recruit students, which means they need to showcase where they're excelling. Our dashboards make this quick and clear. We'll use Valor Voyager as an example, and we'll look in the Student Outcome Deep Dive tab. Here, we type in our school's name, Valor Voyager Academy. First, we'll start by selecting all schools in the district, and we'll filter for middle schools. Next, we'll look at our success rate for ELA, and we'll look at all students. We click Generate Analysis. We get 2 bar graphs. The first looks at overall rankings by district. The second looks at 4-year changes in that same outcome. We also have this on 2 maps, so we can see geographically how this might be playing out. Now, looking overall, we see that Valor Voyager is ranked 5th in the district for their ELA achievement with all students. Definitely something commendable. If we look at changes over that time, we see a slight decrease. But again, to hold such high success rates means that that slight decrease is to be expected. They have done this for several years in a row and are demonstrating that they have maintained high standards over multiple years. Now, if we switch focus to economically disadvantaged students, Valor still ranks near the top, 5th in the district. Both of these are points that can be used in their marketing and student recruitment materials. And this type of analysis isn't limited to ELA. School can use the dashboard to highlight success in chronic absenteeism, ACT performance at the high school level, ready graduate rates, and more. Finally, let's examine changes in enrollment, a critical issue for many schools. The question is simple: if we're losing students, where are they going? For this example, we'll use Orchard Knob Middle School, a district school. and the enrollment comparison dashboard. We'll focus on nearby middle schools within a 5-mile radius. We'll look at total enrollment. When we click Generate Analysis, we see overall enrollment rankings for schools within 5 miles. We also see 4-year changes in those schools. At the bottom, again, we have a map, and it shows us where those changes might be occurring geographically. Now, this dashboard shows that over the last 4 years, Orchard Knob has lost 132 students. At the same time, Chattanooga Prep, a charter school located nearby, has steadily gained enrollment. While we can't track individual student transfers, these patterns strongly suggest that some of Orchard Knob students may be moving to Chattanooga Prep. With this information, leaders can respond strategically, whether by adjusting programming, strengthening recruitment, or engaging families more intentionally. These are just a few of the ways schools can use the dashboards: strengthening reauthorization applications, telling their story to families, and understanding enrollment shifts. But the possibilities go even further: benchmarking against peer schools, supporting grant applications, analyzing chronic absenteeism, and identifying schools that are excelling against the odds. Whatever your need, the dashboards are designed to put powerful insights at your fingertips, saving you time, money, and effort while helping you make more informed decisions for your school community.